Na lang sir, on my part. Sir, yung pagiging MMDA chairman nyo, how do you, do you think that it was a challenge for you solving Metro Manila traffic, sir?
Hindi lang, Metro Manila is not just traffic. Metro Manila is density. Metro Manila is urban blight. Metro Manila is flood. Metro Manila is partly urban poverty. Metro Manila is will showcase the need for mass housing. It's not just
So, sir, how
traffic.
do you assess yung performance nyo as MMDA chairman?
Hindi naman ako mag-a-assess nun eh. Kasi
But,
pag
sir,
kayo,
on
ang
your
mindset
sir.
nyo kasi traffic eh.
Yes,
So, sa akin, ang tingin ko nun yung how to generate unity among the mayors.
Yes, sir.
Yun,
But personally, do you think that yung
And
mga
this
endeavors
is-
that you set for yourself,
Yung Metro Manila reaching out to other areas, Yolanda,
Yes, sir.
Metro Manila reaching out to Sendong, Metro Manila reaching out to it shows the balancing effect of what others perceive as Imperial Metro Manila. Ang Metro Manila pala pwede rin tumulong.
So that's your parang legacy, sir?
Ang Metro Manila pala tumutulong din sa mahihirap na LGU. Ang Metro Manila pala lumalapit din sa mabababang LGU lalo pag may kalamidad.